Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a headband wig video. It's been a while since I've done one of these type of videos. So today I will be reviewing and installing this 14-inch Kinky headband wig from OMG Her Hair. As you guys know, Kinky texture is one of those thick, super full, natural looking hair texture. I love these type of wigs, especially right now with the whole COVID situation. Being able to have one of these headband wigs that I can simply put on and go. It doesn't require a whole lot of time and skills. I am always here for these headband wigs. So if you're interested in seeing how I styled this headband wig and how I installed it and everything that you need to do if you decide to order a headband wig, then of course keep on watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look to the Kinky headband wig. As you guys can see, the hair definitely straightens very well compared to trying to curl the hair. Now, this hair is way too thick to hold a curl. This hair does better when it is straight, as you guys see. I definitely enjoy the conveniency of a headband wig, and it also helps with my natural hair. Now, of course, when I don't want to do any type of manipulation and I want to have a protective style for my natural hair, I always gravitate towards the headband wigs, especially now since I have that option where I have headband wigs and I also have lace frontal wigs. I feel like with the headband wigs it's more gentle on my hair, and I don't have to worry about, you know, applying glue, gel, spray, any of that stuff that normally I would use to tack down my lace. I don't have to worry about using that with a headband wig, simply because I put the wig on, strap it on in the back, and I'm good to go. Now of course you can add more of your hair in the front. You can do like a part. There's so many different styles you could do. You do like a quick YouTube search. There are several women here on YouTube that show you guys how you can wear your headband wigs in different styles without actually having to wear a headband or showing the headband. Now because my hair is usually braided underneath, I don't have that versatility to show you guys those type of looks, because it does require some of your hair to be left out in order to hide the band. The density on this wig is pretty full. Of course, that is what to be expected with a kinky texture wig. I do honestly wish that the density was a little on the less side, because this density is already so full. So I do wish that it was maybe like on the 120 to 130 side. I definitely feel like it still gives off a natural look either way, but it definitely requires a little bit more time to get the hair to be flat. Okay, so I mean, it's a headband wig. It's not really a whole lot to say about a headband wig. I'll make sure I have all the information on this wig below in the description bar. OMG, her hair is running a promotion right now, so definitely make sure you check out that description bar before you hit that pay now link, so that you can save yourself some money in the process of buying this headband wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course I hope you guys learned something in today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and share it with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.